Hi everyone, my name is DHANYA KOTIAN from first year CSE branch. Startup company, Etherworks, product present name stick, product purpose name is radar stick. Empathizing stage, mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. Sensing camera, camera in stick to emergency alert for blind people. Define stage based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers. Many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name stick, futuristic product name radar stick. Idea stage, some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. Buzzer to get emergency alert, ultrasonic sensor which scans the path in front and detects any object in its path, then the buzzer starts beeping. Adjustable length, sensing camera. Prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. Testing stage. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment on your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.